Hi everyone, this is Miss Amy from the Southside Library, and today's video we are going to be talking about the e-resource RBDigital. So today is July 28th that I am recording this video. As of today, all the Santa Fe Public Library buildings are still closed because of COVID-19. So we're putting together these videos to kind of help you navigate this weird world we're in. So we are starting from the library's homepage, which is just santafelibrary.org. And we're going to go to Research Resources tab. And you can see there's a drop-down menu. And we are going to click on e-resources. So to use any of our e-resources, all you need is a Santa Fe Public Library card. And there's some information here on how to get a library card. If you don't already have one, there's another video that talks about how to get a library card in more detail. So I'm just going to kind of skim over this. And also, like I said, I'm recording this video at the end of July. If you're watching it and it's a couple weeks later, feel free to call or you can email us at this library@santafenm.gov and just check base and see where we're at. So we're going to scroll down. We've done some videos for some of these resources, not all of them, but some of them. So we're going to keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. And we're going to click on RBDigital. So RBDigital is magazines. RBDigital has apps, so if you want to put this on your phone or on your tablet, you're welcome to do that. Now, a lot of these are adult titles, but there are several kid titles, and it's just a fun resource that you have available with your library card, so why not? So the first thing we're going to do is on the red bar up at the top, we're going to click on the register button. And we are going to set up our RBDigital account. So it took me a second to think of something. So, and then with our library card number, and my name, I forgot what I was doing for a second. So many emails, so little time. All right, so confirm the email and postal code, and then accept the terms and click register. Here we go. As you can see, register and sign in have changed to sign out. And if we go to these three lines over here, we can see my account, my checkouts, stuff like that. So that'll be more interesting here in a minute. And let's just go back to, here we go, National Geographic Kids, because I love National Geographic Kids. Who doesn't love National Geographic Kids? So we're going to scroll down, and from this page, we can click on the red checkout button and check this issue out to me. But before we do that, we're going to keep going, and underneath the magazine, right now we have description, details, and if you click all issues, you can see all the other National Geographic Kids that are currently available for checkout through RBDigital. So if there's something, oh my goodness, look at how cute they are. Sorry, distracted. So this is just kind of an easy way to scroll through if you know what you want. So we're going to come back up to the top and we're going to click on the checkout button. And it's going to think about it for a second. And it's going to think about it for another second. So here we go. we've got a couple options. We can keep looking and keep checking out other magazines. We can read this magazine right now. And if you know that you are going to want to read every issue of a magazine that comes out, you can click this box that automatically checks out the next issue when it becomes available. So for right now, we're going to click keep browsing because and you can see on the record, we've got a beautiful green read button, and we also have a return button. But I'm going to come up here to these three lines, and you can go to magazines, and it'll give you a list of all the magazines, and you can filter. If you go to genre, you can say only show me children's, or only show me computers, or only show me whatever. So that will show the most recent issue of all these titles that we carry. So that's a very quick way to kind of explore. But here, we can go to my account. You can set up a wish list or a holds list or look at your history. But let's go back to checked out items. And my understanding with RBDigital is we don't have a lot of limits on this one. Some of our other subscriptions were very strongly metered about how many things each person can check out. And right now, we don't have a lot of those rules. So I just clicked on the green read button, and here we go. And we're just going to start clicking through. So this shows us both pages. It looks just like if you were flipping through a magazine. Now, some of this stuff is not super easy for me to read. So I'm going to come down here to the bar, and there is a magnifying glass, and that just kind of zips in. And then using my cursor, I can click, hold down, and drag to move around so I can read the part of the page that I want to read. So there you go. Pigs performing tricks. That is a lot of ice cream. Oh, that's a lot of ice cream. That sounds like a good idea, but I think I would regret it later. But yeah, so that's an easy way to click through. We can click the back button to look at the two pages again. And then on the side, you can either do a quick preview of the pages and say, oh, this is the one. I want to skip ahead to this page. And you can click and do that. Or you can click on the articles and be like, you know, I so wanted to look at the fun stuff. And if you click on that, then here you go, fun stuff, how to train your dog. So, and now the article looks more like a blog post rather than a magazine. That's because I don't know if you can see the A with the underline. That's the display, but we can also go to the T with the underline, which gives us the actual magazine spread. So, and that is just kind of a quick way to negotiate through. I'm just going to click back and here. What I want is to close this tab, but I have to say, with the zoom, it makes it a little hard. So here we are, and we're back at my page. And if I'm all done with this, I can click on the magazine again, come down to the return button, and we click return. And now the magazine has been removed from my reading list. So, like I said, just a quick little introduction to RBDigital. It's just another fun thing that you already have access to with your library card. If you have any questions, feel free to call the library or email us. I'm going to list the contact numbers and email in the description of this video. And I just hope you guys are having the best day ever. And we'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.